My name is Vladimir Brajkovic. I'm a Range and Product Engineering Manager at IKEA of Sweden. And IKEA of Sweden is the place in IKEA where we develop all products for all countries where we operate globally. And today we find ourselves at a facility called IKEA Test Lab. It is our own certified test laboratory. We have two of those. We have even a bigger one in China, in Shanghai. Combined space of these two test facilities is around 20,000 square meters, the state of the art. We perform altogether around 1 million tests a year, supporting our product development global efforts. And in doing that, of course, we rely on other global third-party certified test partners that also support our global product development activities. IKEA works with safety in many ways. We have product safety risk assessment integrated in our product development right from the sketches and the concepts. Of course, looking at all the data that we have over the years on what has happened and how these products have performed, how customer behaviors are changing and their expectations going forward. We perform this all the way along the product development process. And of course, we pay attention to the performance of the product after it has been launched. So it is absolutely essential.
So this is the furniture testing department. We check the safety issues, for example, the workmanship, sharp edges, the stability of the table, the strength of it.
Here in my department, our focus is first the safety, whether the design is good enough or whether the product is stable or not. And second is the durability test. It is to simulate the normal long-term use when people buy furniture to home. And some tests to simulate the foreseeable misuse of a product like impact test or static load test.
So here you can see it's the durability test of tilting mechanism. And here is the strength of the back. And also this is the durability of the reclining chair.
Product safety is not only important at IKEA, it is essential to IKEA. Our vision to create a better everyday life for the many people with the vast experience we have in life at home necessitates the approach that you can be a leader at life at home and serve the many people only if you're a leader at safer life at home.